friends, today I am going to show you a craft using quilling. Let's begin. Now what we need is lots of quilling sheets, glue and a quilling needle and chart paper. Now for my first quilling, I am going to take pink and then I am going to add yellow and then at last I am going to add white. First, you put it through a line like this and then you fold it, then you roll it until the last. After you have done with it, you have to take it, get it to the right place and then you have to start rolling it and completing it. I'm done. I have similar quilling circles like these. All these are the quillings I made by myself. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these quilling circles in the cat. So I have drawn a small cat in the paper. I'm going to put glue and then keep one like this. I'm going to first decide where I'm going to keep it. I am done arranging the quilling circles. Now I am going to stick it using glue. Hope you like my channel. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.